Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings, then you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about TikTok app and you will enter. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. But if it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store and you can update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.